Hello everyone, right, hole and chest waders. I haven't really got a hole, it's in the knee, it's worn away. If we can see on there, it literally just leaks straight through. It's round about there, that area there. So I've got the repair kit. There's instructions. There we go. As a man, we don't read them. Just do, don't we? Right. So inside that kit, I've got a tube. I've got this stuff, whatever that is. I've got some of this, and I've also got these bits. But these are off the Daiwa hybrid waders, so they're there before the top bit. And I've also got a big piece of thin neoprene from other ones, which I'm going to put over the top of it. So right, we'll get cracked on with this and we'll see what happens. So right, I've read through the instructions, and by surprise I was going to do it wrong. Basically, you've got to go turn the waders inside out and do it from that way, and you need an iron to iron this down to get that solid on the back of the wader. So I've got to find the leak, which I know where it's at. It's there. Big hole. As you can see, it's just worn away. I'm still going to put some of this over the top on the outside to protect the area a bit more. So I'll get this turned inside out. So there's the damaged area there. You can just see it. All this area here. So right now we've got to put some glue on this and some glue on this piece here, what comes with it, and then let them get sticky and stick them down. That's both parts there. With big glue on, you can actually see where the holes are. So give that a couple of minutes and then we'll stick that on. That's now stuck on, and place something heavy. You know what that E stands for. There we go. Crater that on top of it. That should keep it down. Well, that there is now all dried on perfectly. So that's the inside. I'm going to do the same on the outside just for extra protection, and put the other bit over the top of that. So yeah, great stuff. There's the two bad areas there. Basically, just slide it on. And there you go. Apparently that's what you do. So that's the outside. But one thing I will say is, with the neoprene repair kit, you only get one tube of glue. It's like just say enough to do the back and the front. So it's 2 holes really.